Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I make free money on Cash App. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who want to make some extra money on the side, kind of like a side hustle in addition to their current income. So the way I actually make free money on Cash App is that what we're first going to do is go onto our Cash App, which is this green and white icon here. Now, once you're actually on your Cash App account, this is what it's going to look like. So the first way I actually make money through Cash App is by inviting people, family and friends, or even people on YouTube to actually join Cash App. So with Cash App, they actually have a nice referral bonus where if you click on the upper right hand icon or your profile image, and then you see this invite friends get $5 notification, if you click on that tab, you're going to be able to actually invite people to Cash App. And when you invite them, you both each get $5. So there was a period of time in which I was getting around like 5 to about 10 referrals every single day with Cash App. And so with that, I was making anywhere between like $20 to $25 just from referral fees. So with that, again, just click on invite friends, invite your family and family members and friends to actually join Cash App, and you'll each both get $5. Now, with people actually being new to Cash App, the second way I actually make free money on Cash App is actually by posting YouTube videos like this on teaching people how to use Cash App. So I've created videos teaching people how to actually sign up with Bitcoin using Cash App, how to access their tax forms on Cash App, how to send money using Cash App. And so with that, all those videos accumulate money teaching people how to use Cash App through the YouTube monetization program. So with the YouTube monetization program, as people watch these videos, I get paid when people watch the ads on these videos. Therefore, I make some side money as well. So in essence, that's how I make free money on Cash App. If you know of a better or easier way to actually make free money on Cash App, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.